In this video, you will see the process of a mold remediation project in Catalina Island. After identifying and correcting the moisture source causing the mold problem, our technicians wearing proper PPE are ready to treat the affected area. All contaminated materials are removed and disposed in tightly sealed bags. To prevent dispersal of mold spores when removing affected building materials, affected area is isolated with the proper containment. Setting negative air pressure is crucial during removal and cleaning of containment to trap any mold spores in the air. All non-porous materials and wood materials are scraped, sanded, and wire brushed clean with biocide. All surfaces are then HEPA vacuumed to remove all dust, debris, and dead mold spores. All critical barriers are sealed, and finally, microbial shield is applied to inhibit future mold growth.